In every classroom, there's a teacher who once dreamed of making a difference. Townsville Catholic Education is helping turn those dreams into reality. Through 3 tailored scholarships, Townsville Catholic Education is investing in future educators by offering generous financial support, mentoring and real-world experience. Townsville Catholic Education is all about shaping a future where passionate, skilled teachers thrive in our regional communities. Let's hear from Emily, who has taken up the challenge and is now in her first year of a Bachelor of Education at James Cook University while working as a school officer in one of our Catholic schools.
It started with a little boy and I taught him how to read the word fire truck, and then I went back the next week and then he knew how to say fire truck, and that just ignited something in me, and so I started researching my options, and then I started with a Certificate 3 in educational support through Townsville Catholic Education, and then now I went through and I got in as an early offer to JCU under a Bachelor of Education primary, and then I managed to get this job, and then that's where I'm at. I saw this scholarship opportunity through my high school kind of newsletter. Our career person put it out and was like, hey, this is something that's going on. If anyone's interested, email me. And so I jumped on that as soon as I could. The scholarship opportunity allowed me to have someone who was able to check in with me, check how I'm going through my studies, and even now as a first year student still check in with me and see how I'm going. Now that I'm at university and at this school, I find I'm getting about every term I'm getting a check-in from Townsville Catholic Education, and just the support, the constant, we're here if you need. This school provides me with constant encouragement, mentoring, and any questions I have, the teachers are just so accessible and they're so willing to help. To any high school students that see this opportunity, take it, dive on it, go straight through it and follow with what you want. Just go far.
To find out more, visit tsv.catholic.edu.au /about/scholarships.